Right, today, I know it's been a while, but I've just been using the car. I've done a few things since the last video. Got heating now, desperately needed that over the winter, and more recently I have got CCS charging working, which we will see today. Today I'm going over to see Tom in Manchester, so we'll see what he thinks of the car, get a rapid charge, and just noticed you've got my big knob in the view, so apologies for that. So yeah, let's reset the counter for my mileage. There we go, got 93%. I've got the heating on because it is a little bit cold. It's 3 degrees, so yeah, we'll see you at the rapid charger, I guess. I think in summer I would make it there and back without a charge. Well, yeah, I most definitely would. But I think this time of year, with the heating on, I'm definitely not going to make it there and back without a charge. But we will see exactly how it goes. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. There's a strange man in my car. Right, so if you put...
Oh, is that one of those...
It's a cheap Android.
Okay, I'm up to test that as well.
So key in slot.
Yeah.
Push start button.
And we're looking.
That faded thing.
Oh, yeah.
Car's running.
Nice.
And then just grab my knob and pull it back. And then off we go.
Quite subtle pedal. Doesn't leap forward. So I'm going to go the long way around to get a bit more, before I get on the dual carriageway, to get me a sense of it. Right, so clip my wife's car. Oh, and there's the Z3. Wave goodbye to mine. There's a little bit of judder at low speeds.
Yeah. It's not always like that.
I should know how to use a bit of WC.
Oh, you're messing with my positions.
It's too upright. I need to drive like a rude boy.
Obviously you're versed in BMW etiquette, so...
Obviously not going to indicate.
No indicates. Oh.
Break the rules.
Yeah, so no indications, and we need to tailgate everybody.
What are the brakes like just before I tailgate anyway?
They're pretty decent, actually.
Yeah. Yeah, okay, good. So we'll take it for a proper spin in a second.
Is there any national speed limits around here?
There are actually, not too far away. There's, I say it's not too far away. It takes about 10-15 minutes to get there.
Its best acceleration seems to be from 40 upwards.
Right.
That's when it...
What's it like 0 to 40? That's what we'll do a lot of. Good enough.
It's decent. Like the lights, some on the way here, someone in the right-hand lane in a Range Rover thought they were going to beat me off the lights.
What? It's a 320D. Why is it so quick? Doesn't cut out or anything.
No.
Yeah, 30 comes up very fast.
It does.
It's really, like, it feels really nice.
Yeah, it's once you get moving, it's really smooth.
It feels like, I know mine is an older car, but it feels like a much newer car than mine.
I'm very happy with it, to be honest. Yeah, I love it.
It's a lovely car to drive. It feels like a good thing.
Yeah, and there's no loud whine from a Zafira pump.
So what are you doing? Oh, you got the...
It's the BMW electric rack. Fits straight in.
Beautiful.
There he is again. My camera's full, so we swap.
And my lens is a bit dusty.
Don't worry.
Right. Oh, come on, I wanted no cars in front of us with the lights. It's my favourite thing in mine. We'll have to do right, we'll take mine out after this and we'll do a side-by-side comparison. Like, because especially now the sun's out, we can put the roof down.
Yeah.
I've got a bit of charge.
My 43.
What's this like?
It's passable. It works. It works alright. I have it unplugged a lot of time because it doesn't always connect first time.
Right. Oh, I like your little. God, your little screen's so much tidier than mine.
Yeah.
I mean, don't mean the fitting.
I need to reprint another one. It didn't quite fit, so I just got the heat gun and pressed it. instead of printing another one, I sort of just forced.
But you've
forced
designed that really nicely.
So yeah, I like the screen.
See, I want some lights now to play. I want a reason to stop and start.
Oh, you do? I wondered why we were slowing down.
Yeah, it's rapid. But it's like it sort of surges, doesn't it?
Yeah, I think that's when it's hitting the 450 amp limit that I've set.
Gotcha.
So that needs a bit more tweaking. I might increase it a little bit.
Do you need? And the battery pack you've got in can dump 450 happily, can it? It's like
Whether it's not happy about it. The BMS sets this little flag saying that's too much current, but yeah, I tend to just progressively instead of dumping the throttle because it tends to not hit the limit as easy then, and it just accelerates away.
Just be careful. Give us the key again. Right, little tour of the interior because this is super cool. Do I have to start it for everything to wake up?
Yep, push the start one.
Yeah. So much nicer display than mine down here with a lot more detail and data. You've got like super crisp little text on there. What's the display? Is it just one of the cheapy?
It costs £2 something from AliExpress.
Yeah.
It's a 2.5 inch display.
Well, a suitable size for you. All the gauges work, pulling from Zombie. So your MPG is your current, revs, fuel gauge working, obviously speedo working. The speedo's that's on CAN bus as well, is it?
I've not done anything with that.
Just pulling normally.
I think it comes from the ABS sensors.
And it's just
It's a mess in here, like
slick.
like random car orange.
Everybody needs a random car orange.
Yeah.
Nice.
Even these work.
Even cup holders. Apparently this car was very well maintained for all 250. How many miles have you put on it now?
A good few thousand.
All right.
3,
Awesome.
maybe 4. I'll find out when I MOT it.
Brilliant. Right, into the less
Do you want to have a look
complete.
under the bonnet?
Yeah, let's do that. Super neat and tidy. This makes a change, doesn't it?
I can hardly believe I've done it.
So, Outlander charger, that's your Lexus inverter. What gauge cables have you running there? They're just the original ones,
They're
are
the
they?
stock ones, yeah.
Which is
They've got a special connector, so you
just use, I don't have that. I've got cables, but they're cut in half.
I think on the IS they're different though.
Okay.
They've got bolted terminals.
Actually, no, I've got the cables. I've got the cables. Awesome.
Fuse and disconnect there.
Yeah.
Blow off vent in case batteries go.
Very wise. I've got one of those. I've just not installed it.
Heater's underneath, so it's under the battery pack.
Right.
So it warms the battery up while it's warming the cabin up, which is handy.
Perfect.
Yeah, I'm out on the charger, which I may upgrade in the future to one of the 6 kilowatt MG ones, with vehicle to load.
Yeah.
Because they're quite handy.
That'd be awesome.
Got spider's web.
Standard issue.
Yeah, it's just like Zombie lives under there. We'll leave the lid on though.
Yeah.
And I need to finish that. My heating was putting in haste, so I need to finish mounting that properly. But yeah, it's,
super cool.
all in all, it's pretty alright.
It's neat. Very neat. Well, you need a badge for the back though, something to give people a clue.
It's got one. 320D.
It's got a clue. It leaves everybody at the lights.
There's no exhaust. Just silently wafts away.
Yeah, okay. That does work. I just have to push down. I've got one hand on the camera. Right. First things first. No rain, no roof. And it does need to dry out in here.
It does smell a little fusty.
Yeah. So put your foot on the brake.
I need to be able to reach the brake.
It's electric.
What?
It's electrically adjusted.
Oh.
See, I've got some luxuries you don't. On the right hand side, push it forward.
Here we go.
Right.
Wow. So foot on the brake.
Yeah, and push the button there to bring the roof down.
We're outside.
And then give yourself some heat because it's going to be cold. There you go, it's all the way down. I need a seatbelt. Remember, you're not driving an automatic now.
It's still pretty. Your bonnet fastened down.
Yeah.
This is weird. It's weird. It's a long time since I've driven this.
It's quite pokey in first,
Yeah.
isn't it?
It's I'm struggling to judge my weight. Am I going to squeeze through?
Yeah, you're fine. Absolutely fine on this side. You've got like 3 feet.
Yeah. That's a lot better than the smaller Outlander one, isn't it?
It is a lot better, yeah.
You alright at your side on that?
Yeah, you're fine.
You can hear the motor a lot more in yours.
Yeah. Well,
It's probably because we're outside with it.
yeah, it's partly you can hear the motor. Actually, I think to a large extent you can hear the gearbox and the
Yeah.
diff. It's coming from the back, not the front. So yeah, I'm told you it's got some poke.
That's not bad, that.
Yeah. You can see why I'd want yours to have that sort of initial throttle response.
Do I turn right out?
Yeah, turn right here if you want to go. Take it down the 40 limit. My brakes aren't quite as responsive as yours.
No, really shot through that junction.
They are good, but you just have to step on them a bit. I have got some upgraded discs ready to go in. And slightly bigger calipers. Not super big, but one's off a
Right, what are we doing?
a 2 litre. So you'll have to change it. I mean, you can just stay in first at 30. At 40, you really want to get to second. Which you're nearly at 40 now.
I can't get in there. Oh, we're in.
Yeah. So 40's a bit tricky. Second's a bit tricky.
It still goes alright.
Yeah. Once at 30 and above, it's fine. But at low speed, second is a bit of a slow takeoff. You can see why I don't want to bother putting the IS300 in this one. It just doesn't need it. And if I put the Outlander inverter in, I can probably just leave it in second.
Is there a roundabout coming up or something? Or?
Pardon?
I don't know where I'm going.
Just go straight on, yeah.
Try not to go speeding away in your car.
Yeah, remember we have just passed an unmarked police car. So, thoughts?
It's still nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's still a good drive.
I do need to fix the wheel alignment.
I am cold.
Yeah. You're not holding a camera up in the air.
I'll put it in first.
Yeah, put it in first and give this guy a bit of a shock.
Might give myself a shot.
Yeah, do be a little bit careful because it does launch.
Or sideways into progressively press the throttle instead of just dumping it.
Yeah. Yeah, it can still trip out. I haven't done it in a long time, but it can still trip.
Are you still on the Prius inverter?
Yeah. So I've got the Outlander one ready to go in, but
so you could can control that with Zombie and have a lot of the nice Zombie features.
yeah, that's the plan. I'd put Zombie in it, but again, it's not. It's a fairly long way down the list after heating and second battery pack.
That's nice though.
I've surprised some very expensive cars. Wait, don't think you're in gear, are you?
I don't know.
Don't know.
May not be. No, I'm not in gear.
Oh, it does not want to go in. Come off the throttle.
Yep.
There you go. Yeah, it's alright, isn't it?
It's nice. So yeah, that was my trip to Manchester. I didn't record CCS charging. Like I said, my camera was full. But I did do some CCS charging at the McDonald's on the way home. I went as high as 80 amps. So that's a little under 50 kilowatts, which is not massively fast, but still it's faster than AC charging. And I think I might, once I'm gonna do some more logging, get some more data, and see what we can push that to. But yeah, the temperatures didn't go up a massive amount during that time. The thing we need to watch out for, I'm told, is the change in open circuit voltage. So when you apply a large current, the amount that the voltage jumps up for each cell should be within 0.02 volt, I believe. Anyway, I'm going to check on that, take some more data, and see if we can get the CCS going a bit quicker, because that's a little under 50 kilowatts, 45. Again, it's nice and fast, but obviously it's not fast by today's standards. Again, though, I've only got a air-cooled battery. The dog wants to go out. So anyway, I'll wrap this up. Yeah, put your comments below if you've got any questions, and press like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.